What is the difference between Os.Path.Basename and Os.Path.Dirname? What is the difference between Os.Path.Basename and Os.Path.Dirname? I already searched for answers and read some links, but didn't understand. Can anyone give a simple explanation?
Both functions use the Os.Path.Split path function to split the path name path into a pair, head, tail. The Os.Path.Dirname path function returns the head of the path. E.g., the dirname of /foo/bar/item is /foo/bar. The Os.Path.Basename path function returns the tail of the path. E.g., the base name of /foo/bar/item returns item. From this URL.
To summarize what was mentioned by Breno above. Say you have a variable with a path to a file. Os.Path.Basename, path, returns the string a myfile.py. And Os.Path.Dirname, path, returns the string a home to user desktop and without a trailing /f/. These functions are used when you have to get the file named directory name given a full path name. In case the file path is just the file name, e.g. instead of path equals .py are you just of myfile.py, Os.Path.Dirname, path, returns an empty string.
Linux/Mac OS. Windows. Image sources, Linux/Mac OS, Windows. Note that since Python 3.4, one can use pathlib.path, as explained on this URL. Linux/Mac OS. Windows.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.